Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cali. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload. So I'm already in the shower and here I am just applying the deep conditioner to my hair. I really like this deep conditioner. It's so bomb and it's only $1. Okay, it don't get better than that. And where did I get it? Oh, I got it from Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, I was trying to remember where I got it from. But it really does help with popping my curls and adding a lot of moisture in my hair. I like to apply this deep conditioner directly after washing my hair with shampoo, and I love to use the praying hand method, and I like to rake this product through my hair to ensure that all of my strands are coated. I don't condition like that anymore. I just feel like it's kind of like a waste of time, you know. So as soon as I finish shampooing my hair, I just boop, hop straight in with deep conditioner. And I recommend that you split your hair up and make sure that all parts of your hair have this product in it. And whenever I'm done, I like to just bantu knot my hair and move on to the next section. And I usually leave it in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. And as you guys can tell, my curls are popping, okay, and they are so defined. Make sure you apply the deep condition to your edges as well. And here I'm just showing you guys a quick length check. My hair has been growing a lot and I use this deep conditioner faithfully, okay. I've been using it for over a year now, and I'm surprised that no one on YouTube is talking about this product because it is so freaking bomb and it's so affordable. Be sure to comment your favorite deep conditioner down below. I'm always open to suggestions. This is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed out my shampoo. The shampoo I use is also from Dollar Tree and it's so bomb. I know you guys see those curls, and this is the deep conditioner that I've been using throughout this whole video. Guys, I did not speed up any of these clips. They are all in real time. That's to show you how bomb this deep conditioner is. I'm not snagging or pulling on my hair. It literally just melts into my curls and makes it so much easier to detangle my hair. I am obsessed with this product. I have not been using Aussie Moist like I used to, just because I feel like they changed the formula and my hair doesn't like it anymore. So yeah, I really love this deep conditioner. It's so bomb. It's so bomb. If you have reached this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share with someone who will find this video useful. I forgot to mention that I only detangle my hair after the deep treatment has sat in my hair for 3 to 5 minutes. It just makes it so much easier to detangle your hair. Even though this product is already good, I recommend letting it sit in your hair before detangling. And for the sake of this video, I will not be washing out my hair on camera, but I will show you guys at the end what my curls look like after I've rinsed everything out. This is what my curls are looking like after I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and I recommend doing it with like lukewarm or room temperature water and not hot water, just to seal your cuticles in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.